Flying Dragon videos are blowing up all over social media right now. Some pages are pulling millions of views with this style of content. And in this video, I'll show you how to create them step by step. First, open ChatGPT and go to the Explore GPTs section. Search for Flying Dragon Generator and open it. Start the chat and launch the generator. It will instantly give you 10 different Flying Dragon scene ideas. You can choose one of the numbers, ask for more ideas, or even type your own custom scene. I picked scene number 2. After that, the generator creates 2 things for you: an image prompt, a video prompt. Copy the image prompt first and open Google Flow. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16 and make sure the Nano Banana model is selected. Paste the prompt into the box, choose how many images you want, and hit generate. Within seconds, your dragon image will be ready. Next, go back and copy the video prompt. Paste it into the video section. Choose your resolution and press generate. A few seconds later, your Flying Dragon video is finished and ready to post. Here are some more dragon videos I created using the same method. If you want more viral AI content ideas and tutorials like this, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next one.